Alright, I'm giving you guys an update on the fire that we are doing. We've started doing demo. I tried to get over here and get some video of the crew doing demo, but they went fast. So we got a lot of the demo done. You see we got most of the sheetrock out. We leave the flooring just because it's easier to roll up a lot of the debris in the carpeting. We've still got a lot of demo to do. We got to pull nails, and then we'll look for any damage to any framing or plumbing or anything like that. But you can see here the progress. We took some of the boards off the window just because we needed light, so you can see how it all fire melted that. Still got to demo the kitchen. Luckily, it doesn't look like we have any framing damage anywhere, so there's nothing additional we'll have to do there. Got some more demo to do back here. It's kind of hard to see. Got so hot it melted the metal on the fan. A little bit of smoke got inside the wall, as you can see. So what we'll do, we'll try to clean these studs. If we can't clean them, we apply it's kind of like a paint. It's called pigmented shellac. Some trade names, probably Kills or Bullseye. We tint the pigmented shellac tan to kind of match wood. That way it's not white, because that stuff comes white. Here's some outside soffit we took down. See, some of the smoke got inside of there, which is why we're having to fix that. Still got a lot left to do, but we're trucking along, and once we get everything out, we'll get with the customer and see if there's anything they're wanting to add or change, or this is a good time to do it. If we're adding walls or taking away walls, anything that's not structural, then we'll start putting the sheetrock back up and get going. Thanks for watching.